Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot OS 6.1 on VMware. First go to Parrot OS official website, that is parrotsec.org. Hit enter, then click on download or click on download, both are same. Click on download. See here we have the live or virtual or IoT or Debian conversion script, Docker or WSL. So click on the live. See here we have the three editions: security, home and HDP. This is the special purpose for pen testing or red team operations. This is general purpose. Okay, for penetration testing and red teams we have to download this one, which contains full arsenal of ready of use pen testing tools. This is the general purpose one. So I'm going with security. So click on security. See, this is MD64 CPU. So for you it may be Intel. Okay, so click on it. Then see here we have the download ISO image on. This is the version number, that is 6.1, and the release date is this one. Okay, so the default credentials are Parrot and Parrot. So click on download to start the ISO. To download using Toronto, you have to click on this one. Click on download, then select the ISO image to start the downloading ISO image. Click on it. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 4.8 gigabytes. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I am cancelling it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, open VMware Workstation. If you haven't installed VMware Workstation on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. The link that I have provided is for VMware Workstation player. It is free to use, but if you have the license, you can use the VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so search for VM. See, I have both the versions, VMware Workstation player and Pro, both are same. So open it. So the installation process is same on both. Okay, click on create a new virtual machine. There also we have the same one. Okay, let me open VMware Workstation player as well. Open it. See, create a new virtual machine. See, we got the same windows. Okay, same pop-ups. Okay, let me close this one. Then here select the installer disk image file, then click on browse, then select the downloaded ISO file, click on open, then click on next. Here select the Linux and select as Ubuntu 64-bit, then click on next. Provide the name. I am giving name as Parrot Sec 6.1 and copy it. Click on browse to store this virtual machine files and folders. So I have the space here. Click on VMs, click on make new folder, give the name for it, click on OK. See, this will be the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a summary of the virtual machine. If you want to customize this virtual machine, click on customize hardware. If you want to increase, you can increase. Otherwise, click on close, click on finish. See, this is the virtual machine. So to start this, still if you want to edit settings of this machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select the settings, or select the VM and select the settings. All three options are same. Now select the virtual machine and click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of Parrot OS on VMware Workstation. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install. So select it and hit enter. See, this is just for trial purpose. So to install it permanently, you have to click on this install Parrot. Otherwise, if you want test purpose, you have to use this one. See, you have the different applications. Okay, so to install permanently, you have to double click on this install Parrot. Double click on it. Select the language I'm okay with the American English, so keep as it is and click on next. See, here we have to select the time zone. Okay, by default it has selected New York and region as America and time zone as New York. So if you want to click on any one of them, you have to click on this world map. I'm okay with all the settings, then click on next. Next, select erase disk and click on next. Then here we have to provide the username. So I'm giving username as Art Schools. This will be the user full name. Okay, so this will be the username and machine name. I am giving Parrot 6.61, which means 6.1. Then I'm going to provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then if you want to log in automatically without asking password for this user, you have to select this one. So I don't want, so keep this checkbox as unchecked and click on next. See, this is the summary. If you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on back and you have to come forward. So click on install. So this is the confirmations. Click on install now to start the installation of Parrot OS 6.1. So click on install now. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am skipping the installation process. See, installation has been completed. Now we can reboot system by keep the checkbox as it is and click on done to restart this PC. So click on done. Now provide the password. Click on this full screen to maximize it. Click on terminal. Now type more/etc OS-release. See, we have successfully installed Parrot Security OS and its version is 6.1. Q to quit. To get the IP, IP address. See, this is the IP of this machine. Okay, so Control L to clear. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.1 on VMWare Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.